Kiwi Kids Kazakhs from the mid lane of all places, going 6-1 and 4.
It was nothing for him. He's just he's relaxed.
Easy.
He's ready to do it again. And it only took Dignitas 3 games to get their first win. Velocity started out fast on opening day of the summer split before getting shut down in both.
Chris has the potential to be the best top laner if he has decent mechanics. Maybe in the future he'll be God. We'll have to see.
Having the same